Hi, my name is James. I'm with Titan Roofing and Construction. We are out at claim number 080-344-1807 out here in Mesa, Arizona. So we're gonna start. They had actually told us to be able to do a little bit of filming. We've got shingles that are up here to be able to do some repairs on every slope, because that's what was allocated by the insurance company, Allstate. So again, we're gonna start here, and we're just gonna get right into it. So first off, this laminate was damaged and it was marked, as all the other laminates on this roof have been marked as wind damage. So we're gonna begin by removing this shingle. Gently as possible. See, and you can see how laminates are starting to come up on the above shingle. They're delaminating in nature, but we will continue. Okay, that one's delaminating as well. So got that first one off, and now we can see our drive line right underneath here. Drive line. But there's a second drive line that holds these shingles in as well. So we'll go ahead and next, this top shingle. Okay. So now that I have all of my shingles up, we can see how these are already beginning to delaminate and separate. The common bond that is holding this laminates to the back plate of this shingle is not performing the way that it should, in my opinion. But we will continue with the repair now. Here's one of my nails. Four. Here's my fifth. All right. So now, and again, as we try to pull, we see that it is not pulling, because we have a fasten line that goes directly across here, which again would mean that we would have to go up to this top shingle right here and see where these are located. We have 1, 2, 3, and so on. So again, one more. Last one up top. Yep. So we removed our shingles. Again, we'll take a look at what we're looking at. Lots of granular loss. Again, with the laminates that are on the top that are completely disconnecting from every single one of these shingles. So that common bond has been broken and will not be able to be sealed. But let's continue to go ahead. At least will not be able to be sealed on its own. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and switch out this shingle. First off, make sure that we're matching up dimensionally, which we do. Okay. So now, again, I'm gonna slide this shingle into place on this system. Okay. Now, start the nail. 9 1/4 nails right here. Code. Do 6 pair. So again, now we can see when rubbing the granulars that come off, very lightly rubbing, see how it's creased, and again, how these laminates are not staying together at all anymore. So now, keep on going with the top line, do another 6. Okay, so again, after just a very simple repair, we can see already the granular loss and also the creases that are happening in this shingle. You can literally just see the unrepairability. Look at how many granules are literally coming off of that just by simply bending this. And again, laminates that are no longer sticking together whatsoever at all, that are all gonna have to be hand sealed. And as we go through this system, we can look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There was 40 shingles that were allocated by Allstate involving doing this repair. We're not going to be able to feasibly do 40 shingle repair on this roof that is unrepairable in nature due to age and brittleness. That's all I got.